Hey you guys, thank you so much for joining us here on the Spark K-Pop YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a Little Debbie Christmas tree cake pop. So first thing we have here is our cake, and I went ahead and crumbled it. You can use anything, any cream cheese, frosting to mix it, and I use frosting to mix mine and make it as a dough consistency. Right here we're gonna get our K-pop sticks, our candy melt, and I went ahead and put the red candy melt to decorate the pop in a Ziploc bag, any green sprinkles that you have, and I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling. And as I'm rolling, you want to go ahead and pull the dough towards the bottom to make like a triangle and press it down so we can have the same or similar design as the Little Debbie treat. So there we go, we have that triangle, and I used a K-pop stick so I can create the dents for the Christmas tree. You can use anything that you have, any tool that you have. And as I am using the K-pop stick, I'm pressing it. I'm gonna go ahead and continue pressing it to give it more definition. Then I'm gonna get my candy melt, and on the tip just add a little candy melt and press that in there. Make sure that it's in there, and you'll know, you don't have to go all the way, but you'll know halfway towards the K-pop. And go ahead and put that there. I got my candy melt ready. You want to make sure you have it smooth. I put it for a minute to melt, and then 30 seconds after until it's smooth. Then we go ahead and get our K-pop stick and then we go ahead and get our K-pop. Go ahead and dip that there, and go ahead and tap all the excess chocolate. Just tap all of the chocolate, and you'll know whenever, obviously, it's all the chocolates is out. Now that it's somewhat dry, I went ahead and got my sprinkles, and as you can see, the tree has sprinkles on the white area. So I got some sprinkles and I just added some on the white part. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It's our first video, so I'm excited. I went ahead and grabbed my red candy melt. I did put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and just went based off the treat to make the lines. They don't have to be perfect, as you can see. And I just got the Ziploc bag, cut the tip just a little bit so our lines can be pretty thin. There, I'm just copying our treat, our Little Debbie. And then I added more sprinkles on top of the red. Not fully covered, but you can see they're spread out. And there you have it. You have a cute Little Debbie Christmas tree cake pop. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any other K-pop designs that you would like me to do, leave it in the comments. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.